Move back, please.
Hello guys, welcome to Caleb Transport videos. Today I'm gonna go for a ride on SET S28. Yeah. Here's the old Sydney trains map, including the T69 on SET28, and we'll see you when the train departs.
Yes, I can film right now.
Just currently left Loftus and now gonna be about to approach Sutherland for our first passing stop for the service, and the service will go over the Harbour Bridge via Central to North Sydney.
Hey everyone, my name is Angus, otherwise known as Sydney at ASET Online. I'm here with Caleb from Caleb Transport Vlogs. Thank you so much. So we're just here on board the ASET. It's going to be really lovely today. It's so fun. Despite it being hot, it's still really lovely being on board. And so we just had a good time at the Homer Museum. So we're there for a bit, and now we're heading on our way back to North Sydney. So just a little bit about me. Just I'm a train spotter and also a rail worker in City Trains. And so I do a bit of like mixed with balancing every now and then. So if you want to get more insights from me of like all the job or anything like that, just feel free to head to the description below. Caleb will put it in the description. Or give me a shout out. My link to my channel will be below, and somewhere on the screen or maybe whenever. That way you can see more of my content from there, as I'll be posting a lot throughout this year. So yeah, feel free to head over on there. My name again, C1's ASET over here.
Thank you, Angus.
Oi, T67.
No, it's not.
T67 and T20.
Oh, no way!
We are educated, we are not brain rot.
Yeah. Guys, we just saw the first Tangara come on the T, that number.
How about this? If F1 and T20 are stopped at Oakley at the same time next week.
That would be crazy. That could happen. That could happen.
Yeah.
What happened? If T20
And F1 are in the same place.
We are currently passing through Town Hall Railway Station. We are currently passing platform number... Let me just get the card number. Platform number 3. Next stop we'll be passing is Wynyard, followed by Milsons Point and North Sydney, where this train will terminate and perform another T4 charter to Loftus. I'll see you when we get on the Harbour Bridge. Yeah, okay, we're passing through Wynyard Station, about to approach the Harbour Bridge very soon. These trains are known for sweat sets because they had no aircon, all they had is windows. We are currently passing platform 4. And we'll see you when we get on the Harbour Bridge. Okay, we're currently passing on the Harbour Bridge, passing Lunatic Park. I'm at Luna Park. Look, Angus is filming as well. We're just passing over Lunatic Park. I'm at Luna Park. On the Harbour Bridge in carriage 3765. Angus again. now passing Milson's Point railway station, where this train will perform another T4 charter to Loftus, stopping Central and Loftus. This is its second trip for the day. Don't know how many trips it does, but I think it does 2 more, one there and one back, and then it heads to Flemington Maintenance Centre, where it rests along beside it Red Set F1, which will be out on the 1st of March for the 100 years of railway. I'll film this train approaching it to North Sydney, and then stopping the video and seeing some stuff from the outside of the railway. I did not film inside the tramway museum, as this is where the train was going, as I didn't really want to, as it was really busy and I got overwhelmed. And we have A75 passing us. That just came out of North Sydney Station, and now we're currently about to approach into North Sydney Railway Station, in the heart of North Sydney CBD. The S-Set is ran by Historic Electric Traction, and the set for the S-Set is S28. And a big shout out to Historic Electric Traction for bringing this set out for shuttle services. Thank you for watching Caleb's Transport Videos. Caleb signing out for today, and I'll probably be adding, well, this is Caleb Transport Vlogs signing out for the S-Set, and I'll be probably filming the R-Set going past Hornsby. And also shout out to Historic Electric Traction again. Thank you guys for watching.